Alfa Romeo a 48-volt mild hybrid solution. The near-instant get-up of an e-turbo would counteract weight gain expected to be around 440 pounds. Fedeli revealed Alfa Romeo's testing a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder with an e-turbo on a simulator, and said they can achieve around 350 to 400 bhp. Right now, the standard Stelvio produces 280 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter. A larger model that opened proceedings at 350 horsepower would create enough separation between the Stelvio and a rival like the 333 horsepower Audi Q7 with the 3.0-liter six-cylinder. Were there a quadrifoglio version, we'd imagine it would want to outdo the 505 horsepower coming from the four-leaf Stelvio.